Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about 7 high-paying demanding skills for 2023. I have created this list based on many factors. It might be the pay scale and it might be the demand for the next decade. So considering all these things in mind, I have created a list of 7 skills which are high-paying, and these skills can be learned for free. You don't need to pay a single penny to buy these courses online. You can literally learn them for free. And in the end, I will also share some free resources to learn these courses. So please make sure to watch till the end, and before that, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are a new visitor. The first in the list is digital marketing. So the good thing about digital marketing is there is something for everyone. So digital marketing has roots spread across the world. You can literally earn a lot in digital marketing. Myself a digital marketer, so I know the situation and demand of digital marketers. So undoubtedly you can learn digital marketing for free. There were many free resources in the internet. I will also share some in the end. So the good thing about digital marketing is like it's easy to start. You don't need to spend years or months to get started. It's easy to start, and you can become a master of digital marketing by practicing in it. It's not that you learn the skill and you practice after that. It's something which can be habituated by doing and doing. So that's the good thing about digital marketing. And second in the list is web design. These days every brand needs a website, every individual needs a website, every entrepreneur needs a website. So there is no one in the world who will become successful online without having their personal website or the brand website. So that is the reason why web design is the most powerful skill and the most demanding skill, and it's undoubtedly one of the highest paying skill. So in order to learn web design, you don't need to spend money to learn. You can literally learn everything online. Even in YouTube you will find many tutorials on that. And again, in web design there were two types again. The first thing is through code, and second thing is without code. No code websites are also getting popular these days because it's very easy to build a no code website from scratch. Even people who are from non-technical background, they can also come up with their own website. So that is the power of no code web design. So web designers will always be paid well, and that is the reason why it is on demand, and it is also one of the highest paid freelancing skill, because not every brand hires a full-time employee to make the website design and develop. So that's the reason why they highly depend on freelancers. So in both the cases, web design is something which pays you a lot. And number 3 in the list is mobile app development. So apart from the websites, the other thing companies and brands need is to have their own mobile apps, and that is the reason why they highly depend on mobile app developers. So if you are good with mobile app development, it might be Android, it might be iOS, there are tons of opportunities for you that are waiting, and you can literally learn mobile app development for free. There were hundreds and thousands of resources you will find on YouTube itself, and also you will find some quality resources online to learn mobile app development for free. If it's Android app development, try to learn Java and Kotlin. These are the demanding skills in Android app development. And if iOS app development, Swift is still one of the high paying language, so one of the most demanding programming language. So you can literally earn a lot as a mobile app developer, both as a freelancer or a full-time employee. And number 4 in the list is graphic design. So undoubtedly we are highly depending on graphics. It might be to increase the engagement, it might be to increase the brand visibility, or there were tons of reasons why graphic design is needed. Even while consuming content, we prefer graphic rich content more than text rich content. So that is the reason why graphic designers are always in high demand, and you will be paid high as a graphic designer, both as a full-time employee, as a freelancer. As I said, apart from the web design, graphic design is also one of the highly paid freelancing skill. So it's good to be good with graphic design. It's good to have awareness on graphic design because it really saves you a lot of time and money as well, and it will also help you to get more opportunities in the future. Number 5 in the list is video editing. Apart from the graphic design, the other thing that brands and individuals look for is video content. The best way of consuming content is by watching videos. Undoubtedly many people prefer videos more than text and books. That's the reason why brands need video editors, and even individuals and content creators need video editors. So if you have picked up the skill of video editing, you can literally earn a lot, and you don't need to pay a lot to learn video editing. You can literally learn them for free. There are many free resources out there. And number 6 in the list is copywriting. Copywriting is also one of the important skill. It might be for writing social media posts, or it might be writing website copies. It might be anything. Copywriting is another form of content writing, but you need to put your thoughts in the form of content so that people can interact with your content, people can engage with your content. So writing engaging copies is an art, and ultimately brands and companies like need such kind of copywriters to excel their social media presence, to sell their products. they need copywriters. So that is the reason why copywriting is one of the important skill. So copywriting is not just about content writing. You also need to be good with critical thinking, and you also need to be good on research side, because the more you understand about the product, the more that you can deliver. And copywriting is undoubtedly one of the highly paid skill. And number 7 in the list is storytelling. Storytelling is undoubtedly the most demanding skill these days, because brands or companies or individuals, any company you take, like, they need someone who can present about them in a more attractive way. And that is the beauty of storytelling. If you are someone who can present something in a more easy and attractive way, so that audience can easily understand, so then you can literally become a storyteller. There are many ways that you can excel as a storyteller. You can storytell in the form of text content, you can storytell in the form of video content, and this is what, and like, the thing that I'm doing currently is also storytelling. I'm telling about something, I'm presenting my thoughts in the form of video content. So anything, it might be graphic content. Like, if you feel like you're not a good writer or someone who can talk in camera, then you can become a podcaster, or you can tell stories in the form of graphic based content. You can literally tell stories in any form. Storytelling is all about presenting your content in a more meaningful way, so that people in the other side can understand it more efficiently. So these are all the 7 skills which are highly demanding. You can literally learn everything for free. I have added some links in the description where you can find out all these courses for free. Also, there is a 10-hour workshop on digital marketing. If you're willing to learn digital marketing, I have added that link in the description too. You can check that playlist. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want someone else to benefit from this, please share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.